Have you ever felt a tingle in your leg that just wouldn't go away? Or maybe you've struggled with cramps that stop you in your tracks when all you want is to move freely. If you know this feeling, you're not alone. And honestly, I've been there too. That sudden numbness, that cramp that seems to come out of nowhere. It's not just uncomfortable. It can feel isolating, even a little scary. But here's something beautiful I want to share with you today. Nature is full of gentle remedies that have been cherished for generations. Dr. Barbara O'Neill, a passionate health educator, often reminds us that sometimes the simplest herbs can bring the greatest comfort. And in this video, I'll walk you through a few herbs that might help soothe those numb, cramping legs, just like she suggests. Now, I want to be clear. Always check with your doctor before starting anything new, especially herbs. Your health is so important. Let's start with ginger. It's not just for flavor. Ginger is known to boost circulation and reduce inflammation, and when your blood flows better, your muscles and nerves are naturally happier. You can enjoy fresh ginger tea, or even add a slice to your meals. Every little bit counts. Next up is turmeric. This golden spice is a powerhouse for reducing swelling and calming the nerves. Try a warm turmeric latte with a touch of black pepper for better absorption. I love sipping mine in the evening, feeling the gentle warmth working its magic. Let's not forget cayenne pepper. Just a pinch in your meals can help improve blood flow, gently warming those areas that feel numb or cramped. It's like a mini spa day for your legs, straight from your kitchen. And finally, ginkgo biloba, an ancient leaf known for supporting circulation. Many people find it helps with nerve discomfort, and it's available in tea or supplement form. What I love most about these herbs is how they invite us to slow down and listen to our bodies. Every time I brew a cup of ginger tea, I'm reminded to show myself a little kindness. Healing is a journey, and every small step matters. If you've ever struggled with numbness or cramps, or if you've tried these herbs before, I'd love to hear about your experience. Drop a comment below and let's support each other. You never know who you might help by sharing your story. Thank you for spending these few minutes with me today. Remember, healing can start with something as simple as a cup of tea and a little hope. Stay well, and I'll see you in the next video.